In the neon glow of online exchanges, a new kind of gold rush has emerged, promising untold wealth to anyone willing to click a link, but beneath the promise lies a labyrinth of deception that has already siphoned billions from unsuspecting investors. The allure of blockchain technology, with its promise of decentralization and anonymity, has become a double-edged sword, empowering innovators while simultaneously offering criminals a veil behind which they can operate unchecked. One of the earliest and most infamous schemes was the 2017 ICO boom, where startups raised capital by selling tokens that often had no product, no team, and no real value, leaving investors with empty wallets when the bubble burst. Scammers have refined their tactics, creating polished websites, hiring influencers, and even forging press releases, all to lend an air of legitimacy to projects that exist solely to harvest crypto deposits. Pump-and-dump schemes manipulate market sentiment by inflating a coin's price through coordinated hype, only to sell off massive holdings once the price peaks, crashing the value and leaving late buyers with worthless assets. Rug pulls take this a step further. Developers launch a token, attract liquidity, then vanish overnight, withdrawing all funds and abandoning the project, a betrayal that has become all too common in decentralized finance. Phishing attacks exploit the trust users place in wallet interfaces, sending counterfeit emails or fake app notifications that mimic legitimate services, prompting victims to reveal private keys that grant thieves total control. Social engineering thrives on the anonymity of chat groups, where scammers pose as friendly advisors, offering guaranteed returns, and convincing victims to send funds to seemingly trustworthy addresses. Malware attacks embed malicious code in seemingly innocuous downloads, silently installing keyloggers or clipboard hijackers that replace copied wallet addresses with those of the attacker. Even reputable platforms are not immune. High-profile exchanges have suffered breaches, and in some cases, insiders have colluded with external fraudsters to siphon funds under the guise of routine maintenance. Law enforcement faces a daunting challenge: the borderless nature of blockchain, the speed of transactions, and the use of mixers that obfuscate the trail make tracing stolen assets a complex, often futile pursuit. Yet hope persists. Education campaigns, improved regulatory frameworks, and advances in forensic blockchain analysis are beginning to shine a light on the dark corners where scams thrive. For investors, the lesson is clear: due diligence, skepticism, and a willingness to verify every claim can mean the difference between financial empowerment and ruin. As the digital frontier expands, the promise of decentralized finance will continue to attract both visionaries and opportunists, and the battle to protect the innocent will hinge on vigilance, technology, and the collective resolve to demand accountability.